So our cleaning supplies for today are just white vinegar and soda, bicarbonate of soda, that I have mixed and put in my spray bottle. So I am going to be spraying the inside part of the drum with this mixture. Also, I'll be spraying the inner part of the door with it. I'll be cleaning like the outside parts of the washing machine. Nitapanguza na still the mixture, and yeah, basically that's what I am going to do today. So I hope that you enjoy. So after I'm done spraying the door, I'm going to close it up until later. Yeah, just let everything cook until baadaye. So the next part I'm going to be cleaning is the detergent and the fabric softener compartment, and here I'm going to use a toothbrush. Yeah, the many uses of the toothbrush, not only laying edges. So I'm going to clean this up because sometimes there tends to be like residues of the cleaning detergent. So I'm going to be cleaning this up using an old toothbrush, making sure that I get to the inside part of the compartment where my fingers can't reach. So the next part is hapa chini kwa washing machine. So kuna utu tunakuanga hapo, and when you are doing this you want to ensure that uko na rag hapo chini juu maji itamwagika na utakasirika kama huku una expect maji imwagike hapo chini. So this is my filter. This is where most of the build up ya uchafu inakuanga, manywele, zile manguo zenye zinatoanga like residue hivi. So that's where they are going to stick, but it seems mine is already clean, so nitapanguza tu those areas where there are white residues. So I'm still going to use my mixture, my white vinegar and bicarbonate of soda with a piece of cloth, and wipe everything down, ensuring that kila mahali pamekuwa pasafi. So basically what I'm doing now is just basic cleaning. You can still use your mixture of white vinegar and bicarbonate of soda, or you might as well just use ordinary kawaida tu water. I'm going to be wiping everything down just to get that extra shine on my machine. Remember that if you take care of your machine will also take care of you. So yeah. So I'll be paying attention to the rubber that is usually there at the door. I'm going to be going in to get to the folds, because if you don't clean this place well, mold tends to grow, or at times you might be washing your clothes and then they come out with some foul smell. So guys, I've already finished like all other, I think, major parts that I wash in my machine. So what is left is to do a drum clean, and remember tulieka our vinegar and bicarbonate of soda tukaispray huku ndani kwa drum, so yeah, itaosha tu drum. So it is advisable that you do this at least once every month, just to ensure that your machine remains effective. Alafu pia if you live in a salty like maji ya place, salty water area, place yenye unaishi like maji si fresh, you use a descaler every 2 months. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, yeah, the electricity is already on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this to drum clean. It's already at drum clean, which will take 1 hour 40 minutes. For our today's video, basically hizo ndizo major points that I wanted like to highlight. So until my next one, goodbye.